I'm Washington State Attorney General Rob McKenna. One of my biggest concerns is the number of people struggling with foreclosures. Families going through this process tell me how frightening and stressful it is. That's why my office makes helping borrowers a top priority. And it's why we helped negotiate a $25 billion settlement with America's biggest lenders to improve the way homeowners are treated. If you're having a tough time paying your mortgage, I want you to know that help is available. If you think you're at risk of foreclosure, first, gather your financial documents. For a list of what you'll need, the State Department of Financial Institutions, DFI, provides a helpful checklist. Second, contact a housing counselor. This may be the most important call you'll make. In many cases, a certified housing counselor may be able to work with your bank to temporarily reduce or suspend your payments or help you refinance with better terms and a lower monthly payment. Their services are free. They may also connect you with free legal services. My office provides money from consumer protection settlements to support these activities. To be connected with a certified housing counselor, call 877-894-HOME. Also, if your loan is serviced by Ally GMAC, Bank of America, Citi, Chase, or Wells Fargo, you may qualify for help under the national settlement my office recently helped negotiate. If your loan is held by these banks, contact your lender. Remember that when you call, write down who you spoke with, the date, and exactly what was said. You'll find more information about the National Mortgage Settlement on my office's website. No matter which company services your loan, you may also request mediation. Before foreclosing, state law now requires lenders to notify borrowers to tell them that counseling and mediation may be available. Homeowners who want to participate have to be referred by a housing counselor or an attorney, which is another reason you should call the 800 number I mentioned a moment ago. Finally, I want to warn you about scams targeting people who are struggling to avoid foreclosure. The best rule of thumb is to avoid anyone who asks for an upfront fee in order to help modify your loan. You might receive calls, emails, letters, or even personal visits from people who make such offers. Most of these are scams. Instead, call the homeownership hotline I mentioned a moment ago. We know many borrowers in a tough situation need all the help they can get. We're working hard to help families stay in their homes and to improve the mortgage and foreclosure processes. In the meantime, you'll find more information about how to improve your situation, including more about the steps I've outlined here, on our website. I wish you all the best and a stronger financial future. Thanks very much for taking a moment to watch.